Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in this video, I will be making DIY nails inspired by one of my favorite singers of all time, Ariana Grande. Second video na to that I'm making nails inspired by her. Yung una is yung DIY marble nails, na yung theme is God is a Woman. Kaya in this one, I will try to recreate her famous white almond nails na usually seen sa interviews and music awards. And di siya gaano kahaba, which is really cute. So first, kunin ko yung cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles and scrape off the dead skin using the opposite end. And to make sure na natanggal natin yung dead skin, we will use a nail drill. This is the third time that I'm using this nail drill and medyo nasasanay na ako sa paggamit pero I'm using my non-dominant hand kaya medyo nangangapa pa yung left hand ko. So papasadahan mo lang yung nail bit sa cuticles mo and make sure that it's parallel sa nails. Wag dapat siya naka-point mismo sa nails and don't put too much force para maiwasan magkasugat sa skin. After that, I'm using a fine sanding band to buff my natural nails. And like before, wag nyo diinan yung pag-file kasi it's our natural nails and we only want to take away the shine, so be careful. You can use a hand file or buffing block para mas may control ka sa pag-file. It's your choice kung saan ka mas comfortable. And then maglalagay tayo ng base coat to all of the nails. Also, I would like to give some shoutouts sa mga nag-comment sa previous video ko. I will show them later in the video because I really appreciate your support. Gagamit tayo ng nail forms today, so maglalagay muna ako sa index finger. I am turning my fingers pointing sa akin para ma-make sure na pantay yung pagkakalagay ng form and adjusting it pag medyo tabingi. Don't forget din na maglagay ng paper towel and I'm using alcohol as my slip solution as always. Lalagay ko siya sa dampened dish and gagamit ako ng clear polygel to be mixed with white powder. So kukuha tayo ng mixing plate and then squeeze out the clear polygel. Di masyado marami kasi di naman ganun kahaba yung nails na gagawin natin today. Then, ihahalo na natin yung white powder, just enough to color the clear polygel. And now we have white polygel. So I'm gonna start with a thin layer of polygel. I am right-handed and ginagawa ko to with my left hand kaya medyo awkward yung pagpat ng polygel. Di pa ako ganun kasanay with using my left hand kaya di ko fini-feel madalas yung mga nagagawa ko using my non-dominant hand. So, tinatry ko na siya i-shape ng almond. So, it's like an oval pero medyo tapered yung dulo kaya medyo pointy siya compared sa oval. Hindi ko na kinat yung scene na yun just to show you guys na napaka-clumsy ko talaga when I'm doing my nails. Pero buti na lang, hindi nag-stick lahat ng polygel sa tissue paper. But most of the videos I uploaded, may nangyari dahil sa kakalmsihan ko. Like, I think, nung ginagawa ko yung baby boomer nails, nabangga ko yung nail glue at tumapon siya everywhere. And we know na kapag dumikit siya sa skin, tumitigas siya bigla and harmful siya. So, wala akong nagawa kasi nagpapanik na din ako nun. So, please be careful with nail glue and make sure na naka-tightly close siya. So, kinure ko na yung index finger sa nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then, I'm gonna do that to the rest of my nails. Pero, I'm trying out this pink nail forms. So, para sa akin, medyo mahirap mag-sculpt ng nails pag iniisip mo na yung shape and iniisip mo rin yung pag-build ng nail. So, parang two things at once yung nasa isip mo. Kaya, most of the time, gumagawa muna ako ng thin layer and mag-focus muna sa shape ng nails and then build the nail after. Sa pag-build ng nails, since di ganun kahaba yung nails natin for today, di rin ganun kakapal yung nails. After all of my nails are done, lalagyan ko siya ng alcohol para maalis yung sticky layer para di mabarahan yung nail files natin pag i-shape natin siya. Ang mahirap din sa paggamit ng non-dominant hand is yung pag-file. Nahirapan talaga ako kung anong posisyon ba yung tama sa shape. Unlike kasi sa pag-right hand, alam ko agad yung tamang pag-handle ng file. After using my hand file, I'm using my nail drill para mas smoothen yung surface ng nails. And sa pag nail drill, if you're using a different hand, mag-matter yung direction ng rotation niya, lalo na if you're used to going up and down pag naka-face sideways yung nails mo sa'yo. That's why other nail drills, yung mga mas mahal, meron silang option kung anong direction yung pag-ikot ng e-file if ever gagamitin nila ay different hand, left or right. After that, lalagyan na natin ng top coat. And maglalagay din ako ng rhinestones. I'll put the link down below kung saan ko siya nabili. And gumamit ako ng nail glue para madikit sila. And then I'm gonna put a second layer of top coat. And then cuticle oil. And that's it. So these are my nails. I think they look really cute. I can't stop staring at it, but I hope you like it too as much as I do, so please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below suggestions on what I should do next, and also follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.